Egg, you can and the meat. The ramen noodle. We all eat the ramen noodle. Yeah. Shout going out to one of my all-time heroes, Ken Hom. I need my oil. Sesame. Tofu, yeah.
Sizzle it up, snizzle it up, sizzle it up. When you got your daughter, get a bit up, rinsing me down, in me tummy, bee-bopper-doo-wop, bee-bopper-tee-boo.
Secret ingredient. Don't even bother with this stuff, it's rank, but I've got it, so I'll have to use the other half of it. Looks quite nice right now before I add this nasty paste. The Marmite's brought some colour into it, which I like. There's my noodles happening there. That's the paste, look at it, it's horrible. It looks like dog shit.
I'm glad I'm not eating this.
Alright, it's ready to add the noodles now.
Hey Fozz, do you like rapping? I've been practicing. Check this out. Sounds like a motherfucking 64. 6 low slip talk. Spit in that Crisco. Drop that shit like a chill. The Dutch show. And you hit a switch and pick it up and let the world know. Now, what you hear is not a test. I'm rapping to the beat. And me, the groove. And my friends are gonna try to move your feet. See, I am Daniel. And I'd like to say hello. To the black, to the white, the red and the brown, the purple and yellow. Ooh-wee.
Can't be doing with long noodleage. So that's how I deal with that. That is ready.
This is old school cooking Fozz from the heart. This is just like how my Asian great auntie used to make my ramen. Fresh and tasty, taking it back my governor. Me and my grandma always used to love our food hot hot hot.
Spice me up, bro.
Squirt that flying goose everywhere, kid.
The original and best.
Yeah, bitch.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Too much noodleage, I didn't cut it enough. Oh shit. I forgot the peanuts and the shallots. For fuck's sake.
Hey Fozz, I can't help but notice there are some whores in this house. Now from the top, make it drop. That's some wet and gushy. Now get a bucket to the mop. That's some wet and gushy. I'm talking wet. That's some wet and gushy macaroni in a pot. Hot.